Screening and testing protocols for COVID-19 will be part of strong measures taken by the St. Anne Municipal Corporation for persons using shelters across the parish during the hurricane season. Mayor Michael Belnavis says the corporation will be taking no chances, given that Jamaica is still not out of the woods with the coronavirus. Shamela Pullen reports.
Forecasters expect this hurricane season to be a busy one, but preparation in some St. Anne communities is being affected by the COVID-19 pandemic.
I have been making extra preparation and so with the COVID and the spending and you're not working, your body in the home not working and all of that, so just like that. So the money is the main thing.
They will not be able to afford to buy the necessary materials to embrace their homes so that to withstand the wind and the flooding from this hurricane season.
Most time when the storm almost here, we always are prepared, to be honest. Because like battening down and so, if you're not really here, say storm, it Jamaica. You understand? We not really button down, but like prepare and miracle personally have someone me say, I was saying to my husband the other night when I heard the news. I said, you know, when the truck come, I need to get the next gallon put on and some candle and batteries and so.
But should persons need shelter if there's a hurricane, they will find that COVID-19 has led to changes in how the shelters operate.
We have over 90 shelters in place, and what's going to make it even more unique now at this time is that we will be using Ministry of Health working in conjunction with the municipal corporation to assure that those who will be using the shelters that the place is COVID-free in terms of sanitization and ensuring that people it's a social distancing and things of that nature. This is a kind of unique approach. It's new, it's novel.
In addition, Mayor of St. Anne's Bay, Michael Belnavis, says testing and retesting for COVID-19 will be a crucial requirement for persons before they enter the shelters.
Health will be there to ensure that we don't have an issue with the COVID and testing of individuals before they are allowed to enter facilities and of course with a quarantine area in case there are issues with individuals with signs of the virus. So that will all be taken care of by various agencies.
The mayor says he and his team will continue to have dialogue with the various agencies on those specific preparations. He also said the corporation will launch a public education campaign on the matter. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.